যে ভাবে সে ভাবে থাকে, আমি তো রাধিকা পক্ষপাতি সদা, কভু নাহি হেরি তাকে।
राधा पक्षी छाड़ी ये जन से जन, ये भाव से भावे थाके, अमी तो राधिका पक्षपाती सदा, कबू ना हेरे थाके।
রাধা পক্ষ ছাড়ি যে জন সে জন, যে ভাবে সে ভাবে থাকে, আমি তো রাধিকা পক্ষপাতি সদা, কবু নাহি হেরি তাকে।
राधा पक्षी छाड़ी ये जाने से जाना, ये भावे से भावे ताके, अमी तो राधिका पक्षपाती सदा, कबू नाही हेरी थाके।
कभू नहीं हेरी ताके, कभू नहीं हेरी ताके, जे भावे से भावे थाके।
कबू नाही हेरी थाके, कबू नाही हेरी थाके, ये भावे से भावे थाके।
वृषभानुसुता चरण से बने, होई जबे पाल्या दासी, श्री राधार सुख सतत साधने, रहिब मी प्रयासी।
वृषभानुसुता चरण सेवना, होय ये पाल्या दासी, श्री राधर सुख सतत साधने, रहिब आमी प्रयासी।
रहिब मी प्रयासी, रहिब मी प्रयासी, हईब जे पाल्या दासी।
रहिब आमी प्रयासी, रहिब आमी प्रयासी, होइब पाल्या दासी।
जय राधे जय कृष्णा, जय राधे जय कृष्णा,
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 जय राधे जय कृष्णा, जय राधे जय कृष्णा।
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल।
सीता गौरा हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल,
सीता गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल।
सीता गौरा हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, सीता गौरा हरि बोल।
वॉल्यूम कम मतलब करेगा ओवर थोड़ा सा। अच्छा ठीक। Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Gurudev, 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 Gurudev. Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada.
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
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 Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
निताय गौर ब्रह्मानंदे हरि हरि बोल निताय गौर ब्रह्मानंदे हरि हरि बोल निताय गौर ब्रह्मानंदे हरि हरि बोल गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायैस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातराजुहावो पुत्रेति तन्मया तया तरवो विनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदया मुनिमानुतस्मि अंगश्यामलिमच्छटाभिरभितो मन्दीकृते इन्दीवरम् जाड्यञ्जागुडरोचिषा विदधतम् पट्टाम्बरसश्रियः बृन्दारण्यनिवासिनो हृदिलसदामाविदामोदरम् राधास्कन्दनिवेशितो जलभुजम् ध्यायेन्दामोदरम् भक्त्या विहीना पराधलक्ष्ये क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीस्तं शरणं प्रपन्ना Brinde numaste charanarabindam. Ha devika kubhar gadgadaya devacha. जाचे निपत्यव विदंड बदोद्भटार्थे अस्या प्रसादमबुधस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गंधर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधेहि हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Yesterday we observed Sri Rupa Goswami Pad's disappearance day, Bira Utsav. So in Vrindavan, Gurudev used to observe this festival for few days, not one day, several days. I think until today. It starts from before Ekadashi and then continues. Yesterday we heard about the glories of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Glories of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad are unlimited. We cannot fully, perfectly glorify. Like in Shastra it is told, Na devam adevam archayet. Unless one comes to the platform of the God, one cannot worship God. Unless one comes to the platform of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, one cannot perfectly glorify him or worship him. Glorification is also a part of worship. You should not think this is different. That's why only personality like our Gurudev, because they are in that platform, although their abhiman is, they always think that we are dust at the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. But still they are similarly serving to Srimati Radharani in that mood, in Manjari Bhav. Our Gurudev used to tell that Sri Rupa Manjari Pada Sei Mora Sampada Sei Mora Bhajana Pujana. This song of Srila Narottam Das Thakur is so important that all our acharyas, they used to fully absorb themselves in this kirtan. So these kirtans are not like a ordinary any song. This song we just sang, Brisavanu Sutta Charane Sevane Haivajipalya. This is usually we don't sing these songs in common. But by the mercy of our Gurudev, these songs are published in songbook. Our Gurudev used to tell that unless we discuss about these topics, so when the time will come, we will understand this. At least we should have some idea what is this mood is. Very, very high class. Not everybody is allowed to sing those kirtans. In the time of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, kirtans like Vibhavari Sesa, Jasomati Nandana, these kirtans were not allowed also. Because it has so many high class moods. Only Adhikari, those who have in that adhikar, they only glorify, they sing those kirtans. We are not at common. Generally, all devotees were not allowed to sing those kirtans. Even Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur had many qualified disciples. Some were very expert Kirtaniya. I think the best Kirtaniya and preacher was Srila Bhakti Prasad Puri. His name was Ananta Vasudeva. He was very qualified. He was given the title Ganesh. So much talent in Shastra, in everything. Also in Kirtan, very much talent. But the time when Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur is preparing to do the Aprakat Leela, disappearing, going to disappear from this world. So that time he wanted to hear this Kirtan. But that time Ananta Vasudeva Prabhu was ready to do that Kirtan because he knows perfectly singing, everything. But Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur did not want to hear from him, but he wanted to hear from Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Goswami Maharaj. We heard from Gurudev this story. Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj, although he was not good in singing, not good in presenting the melodies, but his mood was so high class. Because while Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's 50th Vyas Puja, I think, Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj composed one beautiful prayer about in glorification of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. What was that? Which we sing in Mangalarti. Sujanar Buddharadhita Pada Jugam Juga Dharma Durandara Patra Baram Baradabhaya Dayaka Pujya Padam Pranamami Sada Prabhupada Padam. So beautiful composition. He's saying that Sri Bhakti Rakshak Maharaj in Gurudev sees Guru's glorification, how he has so wonderfully, he has glorified his Gurudev, Sri Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, in the standard of Rup Raghunath. In that standard is glorified. So high class glorification. If somebody wants to, we always refer to that Kirtan. Whenever in India we have Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur's 150th Vyas Puja ceremony going on since last few years. So every time, whenever we have to speak, we should refer something from that. It is easy to understand and can get inspiration to glorify Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Disciples should be like this, who understands Guru's heart. Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj could understand the moods of Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur. From these writings, it is very, very clear. If you don't understand your Guru, how will you understand Rupa Goswami Pad? Will you understand? If you don't understand your Guru's position, how will you understand Srila Rupa Goswami's position? How will you understand Srila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Something that we directly understand Krishna and we understand Guru later on. It is not like this. It is not avaroha, ascending. It is not ascending process, but it is descending process. So, Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj is glorifying there, Vrishabhanu Suta Daitanu Charam Charanasrita Renu Dharastamaham Mahadadbhuta Pavana Sakti Padam Pranamami Sada Prabhupada Padam. He's also saying Raghurupa Sanatana Kirti Dharam. So many ways he's telling. So here, Vrishabhanu Suta Daitanu Charam. Vrishabhanu Suta. Who is Vrishabhanu Suta? Srimati Radharani. So Vrishabhanu Suta Daita. Who is Vrishabhanu Suta Daita? Who was offered totally himself at the lotus feet of Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radharani. We can tell this is Rupa Goswami Pada. Our Guru Varga also in that standard. Vrishabhanu Suta Daitanu Charam. So it can be Srila Rupa Manjari was fully dedicated herself in the service of Vrishabhanandini Srimati Radharani. It can be Guru Varga like Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur also. Guru is can glorify his Guru, disciple can glorify like a Srila Rupa Manjari. So Vrishabhanu Sutta Daitanu Charam Charanasrita Renu Dharastamaham. And Daitanu Charam Charanasrita, those who have taken complete shelter of Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita. That means one who has taken shelter of Vrishabhanandini fully, he is Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita. And Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita, who has taken shelter of Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita, is Srila Guru Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur. You see how it glorified. Vrishabhanu Sutta Daitanu Charam. Understood? Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita Anuchara. Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita is Srila Rupa Manjari. And Anuchara, following fully, Anuchara means Palyadasi, or fully under guidance of Rupa Manjari, is Srila Gurudev. Or those who Bhakti Raksha Siddha Maharaj telling Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur. Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita is Rupa Manjari, and his Anuchara is my Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, or Am Gurudev Srila Bhakti Narayan Goswami Maharaj. We can pray to our Gurudev like this. Anucharam. And then Charanasrita Renu Dharastamaham. And those who have taken shelter of him, food dust of them, Charanasrita Renu Dharastam. I take that food dust in my head. Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita Anuchara and Asrita. So how many? Dasa, Dasa, Anudasa, Anudasa. Charanasrita Renu Dharastam. That put dust of that Anuchara. This is Rupanuga Vaishnavas, how they understand themselves. Charanasrita Renu Dharastama. Mahad, and that food dust, with the Rupanuga Vaishnavas, food dust, what is that potency is there? Mahat Advuta Sakti Padam. There is a Advuta wonderful power is there. That food dust power, the devotees think always, since last few days one devotee is asking that about taking remnants. He went somewhere, there's some festival going on in Europe, some our god brother, I don't want to tell the name, doing some festival. And there is 90% his disciples. And they are openly distributing Mahaprasad remnants. And he doesn't want to take, because he is god brother. So that's why he writing message again and again. I said, don't fully focus on remnants, but rather to focus on instructions and bhajan. When we see that Bhakta Pada Dhuli, Bhakta Pada Jala, Bhakta Bhukta Avasesa itne sadhana bala. The devotees put dust, put washing water and remnants, they have so much power for sadhana, will give you potency. Like this food dust of Rupanuga Acharyas, and that food dust has so much potency. That potency can nourish you and can strengthen you for bhajan. But we should understand that somebody will think that did not understand the everything but want the food dust only. Only want food dust or remnants. Will it work? Does it work like that? Doesn't work. I have seen those who have taken whole life remnants, their intelligence still not purified. Remnants will not alone help. You should understand, you should have that abhiman that you are really taking the remnants. Of whom? You should understand that mood. Only itself taking remnants only, if you understand. Similarly, going to Radha Kund, understand the water of Radha Kund is ordinary water, or you going to holy river Ganges, you consider like ordinary water, understand the dhuli, the dust of Vrindavan to be ordinary dust, similarly, you will not get any result. Jat tirtha buddhi salilena karichit. If you understand only the ordinary water, then the result will not be there. When you have that mood, Vrishabhan Sutta Daitanu Charam Charanasita Renu Dharastamaham, then taking that food dust, then it will work. Understand? That mood should be there. They'll get that sadhan strength. Like Narad Muni. He took remnant, became Narad Muni. We are not happening like that. We think that maybe Guru is not qualified. So Gurudev was not qualified. Prabhupada was not qualified. Why not that remnant did not work like that with them? They did not have that mood. So like this, so there always this mood is there. Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, what I am telling, Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj's position was so high that he was fully taking in that mood, he was worshipping his Gurudev. He really understood his Gurudev is Vrishabhanu Sutta Daita Anuchara. Fully. And the name of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur was also like that. The name was Sri Varsabhanavi Daita Das. Understand? Such a great, the name given by Srila Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj. And Srila Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj was such a high class Rupanuga Vaishnava. Fully following Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. That's why Raghunath Das Goswami's glorification perfectly, if anybody did, his Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj. You know where he did glorification? That kirtan. Kothaye go premamai, Radhe Radhe. That kirtan is sung by whom? Srila Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj. In glorification of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. So you should understand that how Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj's position, and he gave the name to his disciple. Sri Varsabhanavi Daita Das. Such a high class name he gave. He mean like that. He know his disciple. What is the position of Srila Bimla Prasad. He knew this position. That's why he gave this name. Guru understands disciple's position. So like this, when he is going to do the Aprakat Leela, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur asked Srila Bhakti Rakshidhar Maharaj to sing this song, Shri Rupa Manjari Pada. So you should understand that how much consideration is there for these kirtans. But we just sing very, very easily. It's not like that. We should understand the value of it. It doesn't matter we should not do this kirtan, but same time we should have the regard. A Gurudev tells that when you have honor for the acharyas, for these kirtans, the mercy will come to you. Whenever you sing any kirtan, suppose we are singing very high class kirtan like Venu Gita or Gopi Gita, we should have highest regard in our heart for gopis. Mood, especially Gopi Bhav, those who are doing sadhana for Gopi Bhav. So if they have that deep mood, deep regard for that, then that mercy will come. So similarly, why I am telling this, before singing this kirtan, we should know the background of this kirtan. Look, I remember many years ago, I think 20 years ago, when Gita Govinda I was singing in studio. That time, this is Gurudev's desire. He wanted me to sing. That's why I wanted to record it. So that time I was trying to fully understand in that which context. Suppose in Gita Govinda, Radharani is singing, some songs are there. Some Sakhis is singing for Radharani, and some are Krishna singing to Radharani. From Sakhis they telling to Krishna for Radharani. So like this, these are all like intimate songs. So fully understand that mood, have deep regard for that, then if you sing that, so it can be, the kirtan can be, some mood will enter in your heart. The Gurudev was so much pleased about this. So that is the that is that etiquette to sing the any kirtan. Any kirtan we sing, we should have that Acharya's mood. So we just sang one kirtan, Brisabhanu Sutta Charana Sevane, about service of the lotus feet of Brisabhanu Nandini Srimati Radharani. The how much regard you have for Srimati Radhika, then you can understand this. How much you are inclined to the service. Manjari Bhav it is not like any other enjoyment with Krishna. Krishna is supremely Rasik Shekhara, and we will enjoy with Krishna, become gopis. This is not like that. This is about seva. If you really, unless you know about Bilap Kusmanjali, how Raghunath Das Goswami has described this very deep moods. You know meaning of Bilap Kusmanjali? Bilap means to cry, lament in separation. Bilap. And one drop of tear from his eyes, like flowers, offering at the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So Raghunath Das Goswami is lamenting in separation, and one drop of tear offering as a flowers at the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. That is Bilap Kusmanjali. So how much he is feeling separation, how he is serving Srimati Radhika. All service is given there. Very beautiful. I think most beautiful, we cannot tell ordinary book, but most beautiful prayers ever we have heard this. Gurudev used to sing Tavai Vasmi, Na Jivami Toyavini. This is all Bilap Kusmanjali. Gurudev used to pray. We are not adhikari to sing like this. Can you tell Radharani, I am only yours? This is a deep mood, very, very deep mood. So, this is what Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur wanted to hear this kirtan, and Srila Bhakti Rakshak Siddha Maharaj sang this kirtan for him. This kirtan has another incidence. When Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj or Prabhupada, he was preparing to leave his body. Then Gurudev came to him. Our Gurudev Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj came to him. He was like very close friend of him, also his disciple, Shiksha disciple. My Priya Bandhu and Shiksha Guru, Gurudev used to tell. He came there and to have darshan, and with his Sesasai Prabhu. I think how many of you have seen Sesasai Prabhu? Anybody has seen Sesasai Prabhu in our math, Mathura math? आप नहीं देखा you met. अच्छा आप नहीं देखा. Sesasai Prabhu was our kirtanya in the Mathura math. I also learned kirtan from Mangala Arati song. The melody I sang in my album, it is from him. So he was young brahmachari, and Gurudev went with him to see Prabhupada. At that time, he wanted to ask Sesasai Prabhu to sing one kirtan. And Gurudev also sang. This thing, Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, same. Gurudev himself singing this, Sesasai Prabhu singing another song. So this kirtan, he sang for him. And he was so much, Prabhupada was crying, tears in his eyes, remembering so much separation. So this is such a kirtan, very, very important, that what I know, Bhakti Raksha Siddha Maharaj told, Brisabhanu Sutta Daita, he explained this song very, very clearly. So this kirtan is a Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada, Sei Mora Bhajana Pujana. So this Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Manjari, that is my wealth. That means I am a servant at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Manjari Pada. The Rupanuga Vaishnava is singing, that is my wealth. Because when you are doing service, so Guru's lotus feet is your wealth. Like we sing Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma. Bandha Moisa. The Gurudev's lotus feet is our all asset, wealth for devotees. So those who are serving Srila Rupa Manjari, and Rupa Manjari Pada, the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari is the only wealth. And that service itself is my bhajan and pujan. That's why our Guru Varga, those that service they doing, they did, Gurudev did that seva. He distributed he preached everywhere. But the moods of Rupanuga Dhara, which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami wanted to give, that he preached. Also Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he also Rupanuga Acharya, his mood. All distributing that mood, giving to thousands of devotees, make them enter into this bhajan, rag marga. So that is their service, they are always engaged. That's why those are preachers, like Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, who preached Mahaprabhu's Bani all over the world. So they have this mood. They are always serving, they are doing for the pleasure of Sri Rupa Raghunath. The Sri Rupa Manjari Pada Sei Mora Sampada, Sei Mora Bhajana Pujan. Their bhajan, sadhan, pujan, everything is for the pleasure of Srila Rupa Goswami. So Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, before he disappeared he gave his final instruction to his intimate disciple that you should do together, cooperate each other and preach the Vani of Rupa Raghunath. So they tried, but still their split happened. They could not together preach. So preaching is that Prabhu that they asked, preaching is, but preaching should be in which mood? That is important. If you think that, oh, I will deliver them, I will help others, I think that we will not help ourselves, and we want to help others. Ourselves we don't want, we think ourselves perfect, and same time we help others. That is wrong, that is ego. And by that we will fall down. But when we have this abhiman, somebody is established in Guru stage, like Gurudev is telling. Mahaprabhu telling, Amara Agya Guru hoya taro ides. Mahaprabhu takes order, make your life successful, become to that platform. When you have that mood, that the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari is my whole asset, that is my serving, his Vani is my bhajan, pujan, everything. You see, he is a standard of preacher. That is the standard of preaching actually. Our Acharyas preached in that platform. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur writing in his song, the who is pracharak, who is preacher? Brajavasi Gana Pracharaka Dhana. If you sing, that is a song is there. Dushtamana Tumi Kisera Vaishnava. You know that teachings to the mind? Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur's song, very famous. He's telling, Brajavasi Gana Pracharaka Dhana Pratisthasa Bhikshu Tara Nahe Saba. Brajavasi Gana Prana Ache Jeta Sehetu Prachar Pratisthasa Bhikshu Tara Nahe Saba. So those Brajavasis, they are Pracharaka. Brajavasi Gana Pracharaka. Those are real Brajavasis. Those who have that mood, they have developed that mood to love, have spontaneous love for Krishna. And those who are especially this Rupa Manjari, that those who have taken fully shelter of Rupa Goswami, they are even Brajavasi among them, especially gopis, and in the camp of Rupa Manjari. They are very, very high. And when somebody is Brajavasi, is not they have life. They have life. They are fully satisfied within. Prana ache jeto sehetu prachar. What life they have? Krishna is their life. They love Krishna. That Krishna is their life and soul. They fully, wholeheartedly love Krishna. That's why they can give Krishna. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling, Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite par. Oh, now Krishna become your property. You can give. That is preaching. Understand? So it is, we should understand that Gurudev's preaching and others, how difference is this. So besides the difference is this, totally difference between a tiger and a cat. Looks similar, but that is, this much difference is there. So same or a bhajan pujan, same or a pran dhana. Acharyas, they have, that's why this song is for them. Same or a pranadhana, same or a abharana, same or a jivan or a jivan. My life and soul, the wealth of my life. When we'll think like this, when we have deep regard, so much deep attachment, love and attachment for somebody. Otherwise, cannot sing like this. Narottam Das Thakur cannot sing like this. Pranadhan. Kanu mora pranadhan. Like Radharani is saying, Krishna is my wealth of my life. So where will be Rupa Manjari? Rupa Goswami is my wealth of my life. Same or Abharan. Abharan means what? Abharan means ornament. Ornament. We decorate ourselves. So we decorate with material things. But this is ornament. We see when, you know what is the highest ornament of somebody? If somebody has happy smile, you know, understand? Somebody is happy within, so that smile itself the highest ornament. If somebody has so much ornaments, but that smile is not there, or is not happy, satisfied from within, that means the ornaments spoil the beauty. Understand my point? So similarly, when somebody has that mood, that prideness, that pride is there, that spardha, that pride you can tell. What pride is there? Oh, I am Rupa Manjari, lotus feet my wealth. He is proud for this. That is the beauty comes in him. That is avaran, beauty. And same or a jivan. That means very, very too much attached to Sri Rupa Manjari. Jivan. Even life of my life. My life is surviving because of him. That's why life of my life. Same or a rasa nidhi, same or a bancha siddhi, same or a bedera dharam. Rupa Manjari's lotus feet, he is the rasa nidhi, ocean of rasa. We know ocean of rasa is to be discussed. What is that? Bhakti is the ocean of rasa. Krishna Bhakti is like ocean of rasa. But Rupa Goswami Pada is that embodiment of that Krishna Bhakti rasa. It's himself. You know, there in Raya Ramananda there is a verse. Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. Anybody knows this verse? Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati Kriyatam Jadi Kutopi Labhyate Tatra Lolyam Api Mulyam Ekalam Janma Koti Sukruteir Na Labhyate. Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. If wherever Krishna Bhakti Rasa is available, or our consciousness, that consciousness fully saturated in Krishna Bhakti Rasa is available, what to do? Purchase it in the exchange of a lolyam, means greed. Gurudev explained this verse always. By paying the price, greed, the more you have shraddha or greed, then you will get that Krishna Bhakti accordingly. If you have 10%, then get 10%. If you have 100, Shraddha Mule, Nityananda Prabhu telling, Shraddha Mule Naam Diteche. The more Shraddha you have, then you are less offense. You are not doing committing offense. Shraddha is in the exchange of Shraddha, Nityananda Prabhu giving name. So similarly, these Rupanuga Acharyas, they have this Krishna Bhakti Rasa, they will give you in the exchange of greed. If you have greed, they will give you. No greed, nothing will get from them. Lolyam is very important. So Rupa Goswami Pada, where it is available, kutopi labhyate, where that Krishna Bhakti Rasa available, it is only with Rupa Goswami Pada and Rupanuga Acharyas. Nowhere else you'll find that Krishna Bhakti Rasa. And Rupa Goswami Pada is that himself the embodiment of that ocean of Bhakti Rasa. Himself. If Bhakti Rasa Amrita Sindhu, it will be embodied with somebody. That person is Rupa Goswami Pada. That's why he's telling Narottam Das, say mora rasa nidhi. Rupa Goswami Pada himself is the personification of that Bhakti Rasa Sindhu, what he has written. Ordinary speakers, writers, what do? Those we speak, we don't relate that we are not that person. But Rupa Goswami Pada, what written in Ujjan Nirmani, or we can tell Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, everything about Bhakti Rasa. He is the embodiment of that person himself. Sei mora rasa nidhi. Sei mora bansha siddhi. He is the perfection. If you attend the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari, you attend the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pada, that is your perfection. That means you have attained everything else. You attend the intimate service of a Radha and Krishna. Everything. He is the Bansha Siddhi. Sei mora Vedera Dharam. If any dharma is prescribed for me in Vedas, that is Rupa Goswami Pada himself. There is no other dharma is prescribed for me from Veda to do any other dharma than to serve the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Manjari. Sei mora, sei brata, sei tapa, sei mora mantra japa, sei mora dharam karam. Similar. All my austerity, all my brata, vow, following the rules, regulations, or any mantra japa, any chanting I am doing. Sei mora Vedara dharma. The Veda, the dharma and karma. What is dharma and karma? Whatever in my life left over, it is only serving the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari. Rupa Goswami Pada, nothing else. But when I will attend this, when that good fortune will arise in my life, anukula habe vidhi, when vidhi and the Creator will be favorable to me. Who is Creator? Krishna himself. Favorable to me, be merciful. Then I will attain, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be merciful. Then I will attain, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Bhagavan is supremely merciful. When Bhagavan showers mercy on somebody, somebody meet the Guru. Krishna Kripate Guru mile. Then Guru will teach you, so the process path, then you will attend the service of Bhagavan. Bhagavan directly cannot give his service to anybody. Similarly, Anukula, when Krishna will be, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be merciful, I'll get perfection in the lotus feet of, in serving lotus feet of Rupa Manjari Pada. Nirekhiva edui nayane. I can have a darshan of Rupa Manjari. When you will have darshan of Rupa Goswami Pada, Rupa Manjari, when you will have darshan? When you will have perfect siddhi. Rupa Manjari, that darshan, it is written in our Vaishnava songs. That Rupa Manjari, then you will engage you in the service of Radha and Krishna. But when you are perfect at that time, you will have your siddha deha that time. That time you will have darshan, not other time. So, nirakhiva edui nayane. Serupa madhuri rasi prana kubalaya sasi prafullita habe nisidine. Say Rupa Madhuri. The Rupa Manjari's beauty. Why name is Rupa Manjari? She is as beautiful as Srimati Radhika. Radharani's beauty personified in Rupa Manjari. The name is Rupa. Rupa means the beauty, form. So Serupa Madhuri Rasi, or that abode of all the beauty personified in Rupa Manjari. Oh, that is How it is related to me? Prana kubalaya sasi. Oh, my prana, my life, that soul is like a kubalaya. Kubalaya means a lily flower. And it is dried up in the daytime, sunlight, not opens, not blossoms. When sun sets, moon rises, with the help of moonbeam, then the lily flower flourishes. Understand? Similarly, prana kubalaya sasi, or my prana kumudini, or that lily flower of my soul, will blossom by the moonbeam. Of that moonbeam is what? Rupa Manjari. Say Rupa Madhuri Rasi. Only by having darshan of that beauty of Rupa Manjari. That is like the Sasi moon for my soul. The lily flower of my soul. Then prafullita, then fully blossom. I will be really happy, satisfied, fully blissful by darshan. Tuya darshane ahi garale jaral dehi chira dina tapita jivana. Without having your darshan, like as if I am burning in the separation of poison. Feeling separation. Now Gurudev used to tell, when you will have separation from Guru, although a devotee is at advanced level, he doesn't so much dependent on Guru because he can, taking the shelter of the teachings of Guru, he can progress in his spiritual life. But separation will be there. The more you will have attachment for Guru, the more you will have separation from him. So that separation is like a poison. If somebody is not feeling this, that means you have no love for Guru. He is saying, Tuya adarsan, without having your darshan. It is like poison. Dreadful poison is burning me. Day and night I am restless, suffering. This is what Ha ha Prabhu Karadaya Dehamore. Please give me shelter at your lotus feet. This is how the Rupanuga, those Vaishnav, they actually, they pray like this, they think in this, their mood is this. Few minutes. So this song we sang today, it is how important. Because we should understand Rupa Goswami Pad's glories we are hearing. We just heard Vrishabhanu Sutta Charana Sevane Haivaji Palya Dasi Sri Radhara Sukha. Here it is very we can get some idea how the manjaris they serve. And these moods are, all our acharyas, the Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has explained, these are all the moods of a Rupa Manjari. Vrishabhanu Sutta, by serving the lotus feet of a Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radharani. When I will become one Palyadasi, maid servant. So what they do? Sri Radhara Sukha Satata Sadhane. Anything they do only for the pleasure of Srimati Radharani. If Radharani wants no Sringar, no decoration, then no decoration. Radharani wants be ready, get ready, then ready. Anything they do, all the Radharani is maid servant, you should understand. Everything they do what Srimati Radharani wants. This is how good fortune they have. See, Radhara Sukha is Krishna Jai Sukha, Janiba Manete Ami. To giving, serving Radharani, giving pleasure to Radharani. When Radharani is pleased, Krishna becomes pleased. You see, usually, generally what we understand, that we doing service to please Krishna. From in this context, I am giving one quotation. Rupa Goswami Pada has given the definition of bhakti. What is that Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam? The intrinsic characteristic, antaranga lakshan of that bhakti is Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam. And Anyabhlasta Sunyam Jnana Karmadi Anabrutam, it is Bahiranga Karan, extrinsic characteristic. This is Rupa Goswami Pad's definition of bhakti. So the Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam, we think that devoid of unfavorable mood and serving body, mind, speech and moods for the pleasure of Krishna. This is what the meaning is. But for the pleasure of Krishna, how will happen? By serving Radharani. This is opposite way, deeper meaning. Understand? Directly we see that serving Krishna directly in body, mind, speech. So then why worshipping Radha Krishna? Just Krishna. Worship Krishna and do all seva like that. Many they do like this. Many Vaishnava Sampradaya, they worship Krishna like this. They have no connection with Radha. So this is actually opposite. See Radhara sukhe Krishna je sukha. Krishna will be fully happy or satisfied if Radharani is satisfied. So Radharani is satisfied by whom? By Palyadasi's service. Understand my point? Who is serving? The devotees who is serving Radharani, and then Radharani is satisfied, then Krishna is pleased with whom? With this Palyadasis. Now understand my point. So this is Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam. This is deeper explanation. Achha, another explanation I am giving. Srila Guru Maharaj, Gaur Goswami Maharaj tell. Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam, that Krishna we serve. Which Krishna? Which is Anukul Krishna. Favorable fully. To whom? That Krishna who is not with serving now with Mother Jasoda or other Sakhas or anywhere else, or Dwarakadhish or anywhere. That Krishna who is fully favorable mood, having a favorable mood only for Srimati Radharani. That Krishna is Anukul Krishna. So Guru Gaur Goswami Maharaj told this in his explanation of Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam. So when somebody is serving that Krishna, body, mind, speech, everything, all senses, that Krishna who is fully favorable to Srimati Radharani, oh, that is Anukulyana Krishna Anusilanam. That is also, this is a more deeper meaning, which Manjari is serving Radharani, then Krishna is pleased. But that is a explanation of that Krishna to whom we refer. Those who are serving in the Rupanugadhara, Rupa Manjari's mood, which Krishna they worship? Which Krishna they have relationship? Only that Krishna who is fully favorable. You know when? That Krishna is approaching the Kunja of Radharani, and that time Radharani's order, no allow Krishna. Then Krishna has to beg. Krishna has to fully admit all his faults. There's a beautiful song I used to, while driving car, I used to listen that song. You know, in Orissa there was a Basantaras, 3 hours play. That is very old. My Guru Maharaj used to listen that, those drama. So that is about the whole pastimes of Radha and Krishna, but Manobhanjan, that is Krishna pacifying the man of Radharani. That whole song is many songs. In one place, when Krishna is coming, like early morning, and then at the door, as doorkeeper, and Rupa Manjari and Labang Manjari, as those were Radharani's maid servant, they are present there. They are not allowing Krishna to go inside. The order is not there. You, from which path you came, you go in that way. They are very beautifully singing actually. That in Odia, one time I will try to note down and sing that. I sing and explain. Unless we listen now, we will not release that mood. Very beautiful telling. Krishna giving answer. Krishna has to interview. Is very debate, strong interview. They ask each question. Why this is this? Why that is that? Like every question Krishna has to answer properly. Full examination, you can tell. After examination passed, then he is fully Anukul Krishna now. Oh, now he's qualified to go to Srimati Radharani. So that Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Understand now? And Radharani, when that Krishna and Radharani is present there with Krishna, Radharani's mood is how? Swadhina Bhartrika mood. You should understand that. That Gurudev has did painting Shyamananda Didi, no? That is Dhir Lalita Nayak and Swadhin Bhartrika Krishna. Ujjanamani explanation is there. So that Krishna is Anukul Krishna. The Manjaris, they get Krishna's flavor. Krishna is pleased with them because not that they served Krishna, that Krishna, but they did interview Krishna only. Or they examined Krishna properly by the power of Srimati Radharani. So those sadhaka are following that mood, serving Rupa Manjari, and that mood they are serving, and Krishna is pleased with them because of their service to Srimati Radharani, not their service to Krishna. Understand my point? This is the other way. This is not for beginners, you should know. So Shri Radhara Sukhe Satata Sadhane Rahiba Ami Prayasi. I was always doing all my endeavor sadhana to please Srimati Radharani. So sadhana is this. Our sadhana is what? We doing our sadhana, we get some satisfaction from there. If I come to temple, I should get some mental peace. Is this sadhana? Whose pleasure you are doing? You are doing your pleasure. It's not for pleasure of the Krishna or Gurudev. So sadhana should be to pleasing to your worshipable Lord, not for your pleasure. You may get or may not get, you should not expect. So now here that line comes, Shri Radhara Sukhe Krishna Jai Sukha, that happiness which Krishna gets from the service of the Pallidasis to Radharani. Oh, that day will come. Bhaktivinoda Thakur writing this. When that day will come, I will feel that. How Krishna is pleased. Why he is pleased. How he pleased. Janiva manete ami. So then, what I will do? Radha pada chadi Sri Krishna sangame kabhu na haiva kami. Then I will never directly go to Krishna. Leaving Radharani's lotus feet, I will never go to Krishna. Because I understood the secret mantra. How Krishna will be pleased. Radha pada chadi Sri Krishna sangame kabhu na haiva kami. So Manjari's mood is so pure. Like Tattat Bhav, those who are gopis, sakhis, their mood is to enjoy with Krishna. Although they have service also for Radharani, but they have no separate desire, but still there is something. They also give pleasure to Krishna. But Manjaris are not like that. They are fully only Radharani's Palladasi. They are not for Krishna enjoyment. If you hear Gurudev's lectures, or Guru Maharaj, those who heard Gurudev explaining, Gurudev explained Bilap Kusmanjali many years ago. Those who I think some ISKCON Gurus were coming that time. So those lectures, if you hear, Gurudev explaining all these things. So, Sakhi Gana Mama Parama Sruhuta Jugala Premera Guru. So my well-wisher, not from this world, my well-wisher, those who are the Sakhis. Radharani's Suhut Paksha, Radharani's favorable Sakhis. Srut Paksha, Vipaksha, Tatastha are there. Those are Swapaksha Sakhi of Radharani, they are my Srut, my well-wishers. They will engage me. They will help me in learning and engaging service. Tadanuga hoye sebiva radhara charana kalapataru. And here Sakhi is not mean that always Sakhi like Lalita Bisakha. Sakhi also mean here Priya Narma Sakhi and Pran Sakhi. They are Manjaris. So they also can be Sakhis here. So they are Jugala Premera Guru. They are my Guru teaching the art how to do all seva. So art is not a bad thing. To sing for Krishna, cook for Krishna. These are all qualities of Radharani. But it should be properly used for their service. If it used for other things, mundane things, then it is not useless to have that. Anybody has any art should use for service of Radha and Krishna. So tadanugaye, you see tada anugahe sebiva radhara prema kalpataru. So now the anuga word came, rupa anuga. Why? We becoming subordinate, following, fully remaining under guidance of Rupa Manjari while serve Radharani. This is called tad anuga. This is called rupa anuga. If you're not serving that way, how you can do rupa anuga? Charana kalpataru, Radharani, Charana kalpataru. Radha, last stanza is telling Radha paksha chhadi jejana sejana jebave sebave thake amita radhika paksha pati sada kabhu nahi heri take. If somebody not in a Radharani's side, is more Krishna side or any other side, maybe Lord Ram or Narayan or any other side, let them, don't disturb them. They let them be stay in their path. But what is about me? My position is, I will always remain in the side of Srimati Radhika. Amita Radhika Pakshapati Sada Kabhu nahi heri take. I will never look at that person. What he is doing, let him do. But my position is in the side of Srimati Radhika. This is our Gurudev preached. These things he preached. So now I offer my Puspanjali, the lotus feet of our Gurudev and Srila Rupanuga Gaudiya Guru Varga and Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Begging for their mercy. Adadanas tunai dantaridam jachi punah punah simad rupa padamba jadulishyam janmani janmani. Jai Srila Rupa Goswami Pad ki jai. Rupanuga Gaudiya Guru Varga ki jai. Jai Srila Gurudev Bhakti Narayan Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Srila Gurudev Srila Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Sumagda Bhakta Brinda ki jai. Itai Gaur Pramanande Hari Hari Bo. Mantra then. सभी लोग टायर्ड हैं काफी लोग सोना रेस्ट कम मिल रहा है सही कुछ तो अच्छा है कीर्तन फिरतन चल रहा है बस थैंक यू
Would you like to come to Dresden one day? It's near Berlin and
I will take your number and we'll come in here.
I gave it to
How
Ashok.
far from here?
It's 5 hours, 6 hours.
We'll go. One day we'll go. This time maybe not possible.
Yeah.
Next time we'll arrange. I will contact beforehand. We'll make plan. Go there.
Thank you.
So you can stay few days and then come other place.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
So you now you're here or leaving?
I have to leave now.
After just a few minutes kirtan, then I will take your number. Okay? He has a number. I will take. You will give me. I will message you. Okay, brother. आज कंप्लीट हुआ सब चीज मोस्टली.
हाँ, ये बहुत सुंदर कंप्लीट हुआ है.
महामंत्र. हरे कृष्णा Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama राम राम हरे हरे
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol
Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol
Jaya Jaya Gurudev 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 Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Prabhupada 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 Prabhupada
Jaya
Hidaya Gaur Brahmanande Hari Hari Bo Hidaya Gaur Brahmanande Hari Hari Bo Hidaya Gaur Brahmanande Hari Hari Bo Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai Rupa Goswami Pasupati Bhav Titi Maha Mahotsav ki jai Rupanuga Gaudiya Guru Varga ki jai Samagata Bhakta Vrinda ki jai Hidaya Gaur Pramanande Hari